What is up, guys? As you know, winter is coming. Now, what are some things that you can do to your car before you put it away till spring? Sit back, relax, and find out. What's up, guys? Your boy JC here, Broke Boys Club, and if you love cars but you don't have a lot of money, this is the channel for you. What are some things that you could do to your car before you put it away for the wintertime? Starting with filling it up with gas. So first, drive your car to the gas station, fill it up with gas that it's rated for. Once that's done, you take it home and get some fuel stabilizer. Most important thing to note about fuel stabilizers, you need to know your fuel tank capacity, and this particular brand is fuel stabilizer, sta-bil. You want to use 1 ounce per 2.5 gallons of fuel for proper fuel protection. And what this does is it allows your fuel to stay fresh over the winter without you having to turn your car on like every couple days or every week like some people do through the winter. You're able to just leave your car off and the fuel in your car will be good until when you turn it on in the spring. And as soon as you do that, you leave your car running for 5 minutes, so the fuel stabilizer could cycle through the entire system. While that's happening, you can choose to be smart about it and save time while it's running. What I like to do is go over all 4 corners of my car and overinflate the tires. And this time around I did 50 psi per tire, overinflating at 10 psi than I usually do. And I do this so we could avoid having flat spots since the car is going to be parked for a long time. And that's the reason why you want to overinflate your car's 10 psi. Now, the last step that I did for the Mark II was to unhook the battery and hook it up on a shelf to a battery tender. And battery tender, it's a cheap product. You can get it for like 30 bucks off Amazon. It's a float charger, and what that means is when you connect it to your battery, it maintains the charge of your battery so that it doesn't die while you leave your car parked over the winter, and you don't have to keep turning it on every couple days or once a week. And so it saves you time and effort that way. And after that, you have other things that you can do to your car. I know a lot of people like to leave dryer sheets in the interior so that your interior smells good in the springtime when you open your car. A lot of people also block off every opening, like the exhaust, so that critters don't get in there and stuff like that. I just feel like that step is unnecessary for me to do because I know for sure that no critter is going to get in my garage. But if you're doing outdoor storage, I honestly recommend that you do block off your exhaust system with like a rag or something. You can also choose to cover your car up with a good car cover. In our case, we didn't have to do that because there will be a lot of work going on the Mark II over the winter, so stay tuned for that. If there's something that we missed that you'd like to do to your car before putting it away, make sure to comment below. Consider subscribing, giving this video a like, hit the bell notification. Be sure to follow us on Instagram. And as always, fake it till you make it. God bless. Peace.